AMS has been in the business for the last 30 years. This year we will be crossing 3,000 machines and 1,000 crores in turnover. In the next 4 to 5 years, we have a great vision. With a lot of localization happening in India, we are expanding our product base as well as infrastructure what is required. So by 2027, our vision is to reach 10,000 machines with a multi-product, multi-location plants what we have been planning up to have, and to cater to the different segments of the industry. Right now, we are very strong in automobile segment. Now we have captured for the last 4 to 5 years, we are getting stronger in die and mold. The speed at which what you will be observing from AMS will be great. Like we will be entering into a big part in the electronics manufacturing, the EV segment, the aerospace segment, and the other segments like the agri segments, which is growing at a much faster pace. Today, people are importing those machines. All those machines will be able to indigenize and offer to Indian market. So by 2027, our plan is to be a 10,000 machine manufacturer with maybe around 3,000 crores is the vision what we have.